In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a SharePoint list to Excel using the modern experience. This is a simple yet essential skill that can streamline your data management tasks and make your workflow more efficient. Whether you need to analyze data, create reports, or simply keep a local backup, exporting your data from SharePoint to Excel is incredibly useful. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to your SharePoint site. Once you're on your site, you'll need to open the list that you're interested in exporting. This list is the heart of the operation, containing all the data that you want to transfer to Excel. Make sure you have the correct list open, as this will ensure that the data you're exporting is exactly what you need. Take a look at the command bar located at the top of your screen. Here, you will find the option to export. Click on Export, and from the drop-down menu, choose Export to Excel. It's important to double-check that no items are selected within the list. If items are selected, the export option may not be available or could be disabled, which can lead to unnecessary confusion. As you click Export to Excel, your browser will begin downloading a file. This file is typically named query.iqi. It's a unique query file that Excel can use to access data from SharePoint. You'll find this file in your default download folder on your computer. Now, it's time to open the downloaded .iqi file in Excel. When you open this file, Excel may present you with a security message. This is a common prompt whenever you import data from an external source. If you trust the source, meaning, in this case, your SharePoint list, go ahead and click Enable to proceed. This step ensures that Excel can access the data without any hindrances. After enabling, Excel will display the Import Data dialog box. Here's where you have the chance to tailor how you want to view the data. You can choose how the data appears and decide exactly where you want to place it in the Excel spreadsheet. Once you've made your choices, click OK. Excel will then load the list data into a table on your worksheet. One crucial thing to note: this table is a one-way connection. While you can refresh the table to get updates from SharePoint, any changes you make within Excel will not sync back to your SharePoint list. This means you have up-to-date data flowing from SharePoint to Excel, but the pathway doesn't go in reverse. And that's it. You've successfully exported your SharePoint list to Excel, creating an efficient way to manage and analyze your data offline. It's a great method for keeping your data accessible and organized. Thank you for watching, and happy exporting.